Presenting a pre-owned 2016 BMW 740i. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 19,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power steering, power windows, keyless entry, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, universal remote, moonroof, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.